few points I will tell about. A few more points are there. I will tell about those service desk related. Then I will tell about IP address, MAC address kind of stuff. Okay. So then tomorrow I'm going to start basics of networking anyway. Okay. And I will share networking basics, PPT kind of stuff also. Today only I will share it. But first of all, I already shared this service desk. Okay. And this continuity of nodes also is here only. This is not working. It will take time. Okay, guys. So we discussed about what is service desk. It is already there. So then what is a service desk? Simple points also there here. What is the service desk? What is service analysis? Type of service desk? Levels of service desk? What is SLA? What service desk responsibilities? Okay. What are the different type of clients, and what is ticket? What is service provider and the customer? Those things we are discussed. And also I told certain definitions. What is event, alert, instant, workaround, column, changes, service request also. Same this event alert kind of stuff. Only I'm going to explain first of all. Okay. So these are the terminologies must required while you are managing infrastructure. Okay. I want to draw some thing here. Just a drawing pad is also there now. I think this is the add comment. This is insert link. You can draw directly. Editing, viewing, suggesting. Yes, this is the so upload from computer, URL, photos, tools, insert an image, table, draw new. Yeah, this is the good one. Okay. So small drawing only. Understand. Okay, guys, just for a block part, right? So this is my server. Just a blog only. It is like a block. Means servers means different type of servers are there, like a tower server, blade server, rack servers, or like we can say a Windows server, Linux servers, DHCP server, DNS server, Active Directory server, VPN server. Okay. Mail servers. These are all server components. Okay. Next one. Just for our understanding. Next one is you store data, then storage devices are there. Okay. Different type of storage devices. SCSI storages, SAN type of storages, NAS type of storages. Okay. Tape drives. RAID kind of configurations on the storages, RAID 0, RAID 1, RAID 2, 5 storages are there. Okay. LVMs type of storages. What are the things comes under storages? That is the block is storage. Networking components, networking devices. Okay. Network devices. This is a easy name is network devices. Okay, networking devices, routers, switches, fiber optical connections, fiber optical switches, okay, modems, CSU, DSU units, firewalls. These are all comes under networking devices. Of course, the cabling, networking devices are there. I mean, it is a network cables also there, right? different type of cables we use. We are using different type of cables in organization, like a UTP cable, STP cable, fiber optical cables, different set of cables are there. Next, physical infrastructure management. In that one, power supply is important. Without power supply connectivity, backup power supply, backup power supply, power is enough. Okay. Backup power supply, main power supply is there. UPS kind of stuff, generators, backup power supply is there. Okay. Environment variables, environment management. Okay, your environment management. Environment management. Okay, so what is the environmental management means? Temperatures. Okay, cooling system kind of stuff is also important. Of course, backup, system backup, data backup. Okay, backup related things are there, no? Backup related antivirus servers. You tell me. Have a computers, like I will put a easy way, PC, laptops, regular users kind of stuff. PC, laptops, their connectivity, network connections, okay, their network connections, cables, devices, also there. Okay, this is what I'm trying to say. It is the whole the whole infrastructure, the whole infrastructure. So what we do, we have a system that monitoring this whole infrastructure, that monitors whole infrastructure. Yeah, better I will take it out. But it is a part of infrastructure only itself, a part of infrastructure. So we monitor this whole infrastructure, that is called monitoring, network monitoring, server monitoring, database monitoring, so application monitoring, performance monitoring, different monitorings are there. So it monitors everything. So it monitors your server, okay, storage devices, networking cable, whether connectivity is there or not, backup is correctly working or not, is a power supply is good or not, your backups of power supply is ready or not, okay, your environment, okay, your temperature is good or not, each and every PC is turned or not, or turn off PCs, turn on PCs, the networking related, everything we can monitor from one single PC. Okay, so here we can able to see everything what is going on with this entire infrastructure. Guys, understand this part?
Yes, sir.
So yeah, actually I have to explain this one to
Got it,
understand
sir.
few points. I'm going directly to monitoring tools. Okay, what are the monitoring tools and what is meant by monitoring? In simple way, I'm telling guys, there's a lot of things are there inside. In a simple way, I'm telling. Okay, good. So understand function of our infrastructure, application, services. We need a monitoring. So make sure the system's status is turn on status, turn off status of the devices, resources monitoring. I will show you for one system how it is there. So it is process monitoring. What is the process? How much CPU it is utilizing? How much RAM it is utilizing? So it is how much CPU it is utilizing, RAM it is utilizing, disk is utilizing, network it is utilizing, and GPU it is utilizing. A process. This is performance. What is my CPU? This is for my CPU, one CPU. One CPU. This is my CPU utilization. See, 22%, 21%, 23%. So on average, what is my CPU utilization? Currently, in current instance, what is my CPU utilization? Or per day, what is CPU utilization? Sometimes CPU utilization go for 100% also, 80%, 90%, 100%, and it will done. For example, I open one application, then CPU utilization increases. I close applications, then CPU utilization become less. Memory monitoring, how much currently memory utilization is going on, ups and downs are there, are constantly, it is in the constant manner, are up and downs. So if I open another application, then memory utilization also increases. I close all background applications, memory utilization decreases. This is disk utilization. What is the read and write time? So what is the access of data from disk? We can able to monitor from here. Network monitoring. You know, one guy told me this answer. So how you know internet is working or not? He said, I will go to task manager. I'll select the network adapter. It is showing send and receive means there is a network function is there. It's a good answer itself. Okay. Because see how your packets are traveling, how much packets, how much speed of packet is sending and as well as a receiving packets. This is performance monitoring. This is resource monitoring. You can see this is a resource monitor. What your CPU is a one resource, memory, disk, network. These are your system resource. Monitor your only CPU, on CPU, what process is going on, what is the status of that information. Process, services, associated handlings, memory means in RAM, how much it is utilizing, what processes, what kind of utilization it is, disk, network related. Okay, but this is for one single system. What about a whole bunch of the systems? Different type of servers, hardware components, PCs, laptops, okay, networking devices, storage itself a machine, right? So monitoring those things from centrally. We can't go to each and every device and we cannot able to check it, right? So what we will do, we'll collect all information, okay, and we'll check it from the monitoring station. Okay, so system device status, resource monitoring of a devices, performance of a devices, okay, application performance. For example, guys, I have an application, currently an application is running, for example, Microsoft Teams, or a WhatsApp, or a Google Chrome, different applications are running in my PC, right? So, like these applications. What is this application performance? Application performance, how much it is utilizing CPU. Normally, any application depends upon the application, okay, utilize certain CPU power. and memory-based network kind of stuff. Sometimes more than it is taking your CPU utilization or memory utilization. Then it is not a good product. It is. For example, Windows Vista required more hardware, CPU, RAM power is more required. Okay, if you are using Vista, you don't feel nothing. Okay, earlier days in that infrastructure, it is utilizing. Like people build an applications, very good application it is. They deploy application to the clients. Client application running application is running, but it is utilizing more resources than actually it has to be consumed. Like for example, 1% CPU, 2% like maybe 200 MB from memory. Okay, network utilization is 0.1%. That is actually should be. But what happened here? The application is utilizing 10% of CPU or 20% of CPU. Memory it is utilizing 3 GB, 4 GB directly. Okay, so obviously that is not a good build application. So that is also important in infrastructure management. Application performance, the application is how much it is utilizing CPU, RAM and memory. Process monitoring, network monitoring. Okay, so how network is connected. Network monitoring means not only networking devices, also network connectivity, system connectivity, IP addresses. Okay, their honor of statuses, device honor of statuses, traffic in the network in the particular time or next time. Okay, morning 9:30, everybody in office and everybody start logging. Then what happen? Lot of load on the network. Later it will be settled down. So how when the network consumption is increases, when network consumption is settled down. So that is network monitoring. We use a protocol called SNMP, Simple Network Management Protocol. Sorry, yeah, Simple Network Management Protocol mainly in the network monitoring time. Okay. Next, different devices are there, guys, like a Nagios, Zabbix, PRTG, New Relic, WhatsUp Gold, WireShark, Splunk, different tools. Not only these tools, I listed only few tools. There is almost like a 20-25 tools are there. I am telling only few tools here. WhatsApp Gold is also one of the most common tool, PRTG. I will show you one by one here and also will give you the details of these tools. What are these tools? At least some tools, what they will do, what it will do, what it will monitor. What it will monitor. For example, you take a Nagios. Guys, Nagios will give you 30 days or 60 days of a it will monitor, elect, graphing, reporting, platform for your entire infrastructure, including servers, your operating systems, applications, and network devices, websites, hypervisors, cloud servers, and much more. Okay, what is a Nagios? Is it I added here Nagios? I will add here. So this is the tool. If you want to see small installation demo, you can see it also. Online demo is also there. Okay, maybe it is really demo or not. Also, we don't know. It is asking a login name. Yeah, now it is good. It is online login name, guys. You can try. Uh, this is this is an online demo. Directly, you can open the demo part. There it is. You can use administrator access, read only, advanced user access. I'm taking administrator account and the password, also same password, just password. From here only, login. This is good. So this is your Nagios monitoring tool. See, it is firewall PI indicator. Okay, this is a host status summary. 78 are up. I will increase, try to increase. Are you able to see the screen? This one, guys, this
Yes,
part.
sir.
I'm trying to show you this part. So while
Sir, yes.
monitoring, you can get a host status. Okay, yeah, we can customize the dashboard also. Okay, this is host status. 78 devices are up, 33 are down, one is not reachable. 0 are handled, 34 are in a column. Okay, down is 33 plus unreachable 1, 34 problems are there. Altogether it is 1, 1, 2 are there. Service status summary. 894 services are working good, like 64 in warning, 49 in unknown, critical is 204, pending is 28, columns are 320, and these are all service related issues. Okay. Local host current load is something it is showing not required. Found. Yeah, this is service status summary. We have seen that one already. He added 2 times. This is a server. It is saying Linux server. These are all Linux server group. This is a Linux server group. It is host group. Okay, I have a Linux servers. Their status. You can see CentOS 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and Fedora 1. These are the server names. Their status is up, up, up. Okay, and service is okay. Of course, this is the unknown. 18 are critical. These are all up only, no problem. You want to test it, also you can try to test. So this is the service status of this Paessler host. It is up, good. Services status is 24, good. You can see this Paessler host, better decrease. No, here, this Paessler machine, disk usage, Apache web server, web servers, okay, bandwidth spike, CPU stat, con scheduling demand. These are all services from this server. The server is up and running, and these services also running very well. Okay, and it is giving a duration, attempt, last check, and information. Okay, so we'll go back to the this Linux servers only. So here it is showing some column, right? Localhost, unknown kind of stuff. I will see what has happened to this localhost. It is up. Okay, it is overview. Acknowledgement and comment. This host has been scheduled for a fixed downtime from this time to time. Notify from the host not been sent out during the time period. Administrator is scheduled downtime is given. This particular time this server is unavailable. Now it is available up and running. What are the services are running? See it is, these are the services are okay. The swap usage isn't critical. You can see error, describe or a type available, no response from remote host. It's not giving SAP utilization information. Of software update related issues. Memory usage, that is also it is not giving. SQL connection time. So there is a SQL server is running in this server. So SQL related issues it is we can able to see. Okay, we can see these logs or statuses. So then we can understand something it is happened to it. Then we have to do troubleshooting according to it. You have to do troubleshooting according to it. This is the performance graph. You can see performance graph of a this Butler host. Advanced status details. So we can get a lot of details from it. Configuration. You want to do any reconfiguration this host or you want to remove this host kind of stuff. Capacity planning. Okay, you want what is the utilization of the CPU? Require any capacity improvement based on the graphing. Yeah, so it is only while working you will understand. Free variables, nodes. You want to add any node for this Butler host. Okay. Next, you can see this. These are the host availability. Okay. What is their downtime? Unreachability is this one, and this is the uptime. 100% server is up and run. Average service availability. Server is up and run, but services having policy. 53.66% of services are okay, and there is a warning, and this is a critical situations. Okay. So I'm just scroll up and down. It is maybe little confusion, but still I am waiting. I'm checking. I'm like ping this host. I want to check this host is available or not. So it is. When I click on ping, it try to ping the host and telling yes, host is available. Okay. So like that we can able to check individually. Yeah, it is home.
Sir,
Hmm. Yeah, tell me,
so
tell me.
can we like check like any other hosts like diagnosis with this software?
Yeah, actually, you have a entire infrastructure somewhere we given, right? This is so what we do. This is my monitoring system, means Nagios system. I will connect it to all the devices. So I will tell these are the devices, their IP addresses, and are everything. So I can able to get their information in the single dashboard. This Linux servers is a group. We can group the particular servers, desktops, or laptops like that. We can able to group it. Networking group, server group, or different set of groups like that. We can do it. And individually, you can go and check the each and every device also. Okay. Actually, I can my reports availability summary network status map. Let it load. Yeah, it is a very good one. It is. So this is how our infrastructure is connected. Okay, different devices, their IP addresses, their connectivities. Why it is going somewhere? Shut down, state, critical. So map only. We'll go back to the home or a dashboard. We'll get most of the things from here. Okay. So server statistics, CPU status, memory status, swap status. This is BBP map, means different services and different IP addresses. How there is anything is required, some setting kind of stuff, changes. See this? It's a complete map. Means these are all systems only. These are all devices or systems. And these are all different type of services or their functions. This is DHCP. This is a DHCP server. And those are DHCP, we can get it also. This is hypermap. Remaining map is not load. Yeah, here it is. Then yeah, we got what I want. Guys, can you see latest alerts? Can you able to see this one? Latest
Yes, sir.
alerts.
Yes, sir.
For example, a web server is down. Immediately, because of I'm monitoring, the service is down, web service is down. Immediately I'm getting a alert. So I'm a service desk person. What I will do? Yeah, where is that previous alert? I'll open this. What happened? TCP critical invalid hostname or a socket. Then I will read host status is also down. Not only a service, the main host is also down. Problem is acknowledged. So yes, the service person will raise the ticket or maybe will send to the administrator. So check this issue is occur and he is acknowledge yes issue is there. We'll start doing troubleshooting related. From monitoring system also you can try to do few things. First one is any system is working or not, you want to check it once again, then we'll do to ping it. Okay, ping is out. So ping is not successful. We are not getting any details, right? Next, I'm connected to HTTP. Okay, method is RDP, address is HTTP, something it is showing. We'll try. No connectivity, nothing. Yeah, we don't have physical environment, right? Action URL file this host. Force immediate check. Disable notification. Trace route to this host. Means are you am I able to reach this host or not? Some seriously some kind of configuration related issues. Service status for this host. Last time it is showing a okay kind of stuff. This is a RDP file, guys, remote desktop file. You can download this RDP file and you can connect it to this particular host. Okay, this particular host. Okay, you can connect it to this particular host. What happened? Yeah, remote desktop wise, and you can do the settings. But it is showing host status itself down means you have to check physically is the really host is down or not. If down means why it is down, that kind of troubleshooting. Main is server should run, next is services should be run. Okay. So these are the issues, alerts, alerts. Alert means it is showing an issue, critical situation. Domain expiration being handled. The domain is expiring, this particular domain, it is handled. Means okay, we're running good. Okay. This is a local host. You can see this, some local host having these kind of issues. See the blue, this is red. Difference is this is good thing, like a informative only. Port 1 status, VPN, Cisco VPN session are being handled. Means the issue is cleared or now it is working. Or now it is working. Okay, that is the status. This is having issue. I am scroll up and down for waiting for any warnings kind of stuff. Okay, Yeah, these are the somewhat, I'm trying to say this is hypermap. Okay, actually it will give, so I click on this one, what happening? So it is unreachable kind of stuff. It's a completely map, just we need an experience on it. Okay, yeah, practically we can install this Nagios in your system and we can monitor things also. Okay, and here it is incident management. Any latest alerts or occurs. So that is what we are got now google.com something https. So this is some issue is there. We can go through the latest alerts. Okay, acknowledgements, shutdown, schedule downtime, mass acknowledgements. Okay, recurring downtime notification. These are the incidents we are generated from alerting system and monitoring system. Monitoring process, process info, performance, event log. So this is good. Event log. See, this is what happened to our system. Already I showed some events. This is also. See, this is host alert. This is some website moved permanently successful. The event it is. Now it is runtime errors. Some issue it is reporting. This is a runtime. These are the events are what are the in infrastructure different type of events are occur. Disk is failure, disk is up and running. Okay, backup failure, backup running, disk is full, disk is 70% full. Okay, server is down, service is running but server is down. Okay, application errors, right? Anything happen, for example, in your PC you install an application, a event will be created. You uninstall an application, event will be created. You formatted drive, so event will be created. Okay, so like that any changes occur, any a significant changes occur, a event will be created. Event can be a warning or a error or it can be a information. So any issues occur at infrastructure level, compulsory go through event management, check what is happened in between this particular time. We are getting this particular issue. For example, yesterday evening onwards, I am getting an issue. So when I have to check yesterday evening from 9 o'clock, I am getting an issue. Not before issue. Okay, from yesterday evening 9 o'clock, I am getting an issue. What I have to do? Some issue. What I have to do? Go to event management, go to this event logs, check it around 9 o'clock. 8, 8:30, 9, 9:30, okay, 10 o'clock. So 1 hour before, 1 hour after, or 2 hours before, 2 hours after. Okay, we have to go through all events. We have to go through all the events, and any changes occur in between this time period. So we have to assume this is the issue. This is the issues occur in this particular place. That's why we are getting this kind of issues. Okay, so that's the importance of event management. You guys understand or totally confused? Partially understand?
Yes, sir.
Actually understand.
Very good. Okay, so this is also select something here. It is service status, but unknown, but it is good. Blue color. It's a critical. There are some issues are there. So immediately you can go and fix it. This is you can download a Nagios. Okay, just click on the download. And also you can go to demo. Demo already I have given to you, right? The link I specified here, demo related to Nagios. Okay, so this is a free trial version is there. Nagios free trial version. These are the virtual appliances. We can run this one in a Microsoft. This is VMware vSphere or a workstation also it will work. This is Linux based virtual appliances. Virtual appliance means it is a virtual machine which installed with a Nagios software inside. Okay, it is generally a 30 days trial version. If you want to practice also you can practice. Now demo is available means better to try demo, because in demo we are getting lot of options also there, and automatically data is showing here. Okay, because if you don't have any infrastructure, so you don't get a lot of data on this screen. Okay, now you have a data on the screen, so you will understand what to do. You can create your own kind of stuff also. SLA is removed. SLA is there or not there? Okay, SLA part is not here. Okay, this is Nagios demo. The next one is Zabbix. Zabbix is an enterprise class open source monitoring tool. Okay, it is a that coffee after 5 minutes. Okay, it is a open source monitoring tool. We can monitor network monitoring, server monitoring, cloud monitoring, application monitoring, and service monitoring. Okay, so a lot of monitoring things are there, lot of sensors also there. You can do it. Okay, metric, column detection, alerting, data visualization. Okay, single pane of glass, scalability, deployment, security, integration, business monitoring. Okay, so a lot of things are there. You can read it, but I'm trying to show you. Yeah, it is a download. Of course, you can download Zabbix application, install into any of this version. Like I want to install in my CentOS 7, 6.2 or a 6 LTS is important. What is LTS? Long term. Okay, this is just updating. This is very less updates. Okay, which component you want to install, which database with install. Then these are the following to install into your PC for a Zabbix. This is Linux based. Of course, you sir, I don't know Linux, I don't know how to install, how to put a comments and all. These many confusions are there. No problem. This is Zabbix appliances. It is a virtual appliances is there. Depends upon what kind of virtual platform you are using. You are using a virtual box or VMware workstation. So you can download that particular thing. Okay, and you can able to set up. Once you set up, then you can able to start working on it. In case you are very interested in a software development, you can download Zabbix open source, right? It is a open source means the source code is also available. Download a source code and you can develop as per your requirement also possible. Okay, so Zabbix is one of the monitoring tool. PRTG. PRTG is a network monitoring tool. Okay, network monitoring tool. Yeah, it is a free trial version is also available. You can download a PRTG monitoring tool. It is also will give you complete picture of your infrastructure, their network connectivity, and including networking devices and normal servers also. hosted monitoring, enterprise monitoring, network monitoring. It is showing. Okay, this is a cloud based. This is on premises. This is on premises. Of course, this is a license based one. We have a trial version you can download and you can use for a few days, like 14 days, 15 days, something. Okay. So whatever it is a PRTG monitoring tool. Okay, enter your global infrastructure. You can able to see on the screen status of the devices, network traffics, everything you can. New Relic is application monitoring tool. WhatsUp Gold is also available now as a trial version. At least we are getting. It's a WhatsApp up. Okay, it's a WhatsApp Gold. What is it is log management provide easy visibility management device log all integrations to be easy to use. Simplify management of your complex IT infrastructure. You can download a trial version. Okay. You can monitor network mapping, network performance, flow mon, something log management, configuration management, cloud-based application performance monitoring, wireless network monitoring also included now. Log management means I showed the logs, right? It analyzes the logs. Not only a WhatsApp goal, guys. Splunk is a mainly log analyzer. So it will understand, it will predict, it will understand, visualize, and predict like this is the performance of your network. It 100% available network is maintenance. Now this is a 90% performance of a network is there. So we can able to get from the Splunk. WireShark, of course, NPM. These are a network monitoring tools only. PRTG, NPM, WireShark are a network monitoring tools only. Okay, guys, this is about your basic monitoring. Few points, alerts, status, those kind of stuff we can understand in this range. Okay. So take a break. Come back at 12:30. 10 minutes. Then we'll see a few more things about this things. Okay. So I hope you got the point.